Alright, so we just checking in at this Decatur property on this extremely beautiful quarantine day. So yeah, I'm practicing social distancing. I'm out here pretty much by myself as of right now, but waiting on someone to come open this property up so we can get some video footage, and then we're gonna go inside and take a look. So let's check it out, see what we got. We're in. If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555. Or you can check us out online, ridebuyscash.com. So we headed in this one now.
Be virtual and so on. But now we're on the inside of this property. But this is the kind of stuff, I'm not trying to hide this from potential buyers, believe me. They're gonna see it when they come. But I want them to make up their mind before they head out that it makes a little bit of sense for them. Because if it makes a little bit of sense for them, then they're gonna come on out. And they look at my video and say, okay, he's showing me enough stuff to figure out whether I want it or not. I want to get up and go take a walk through. And they will. They're going to want to take a walk through. The ones that are interested, the ones that are not interested, they won't. But the ones that are interested will. Now this house has obviously been vandalized, and they've taken the copper and so on. But, you know, we're looking at this property for potential. And it's got a lot of potential. Now, as I video, the easiest thing to do is stand in the middle of a room and do what I call a 360. Get some of the floor in the video. Get some of the ceiling in the video. This house has an open floor plan that's easily, it saves you a little bit of work because you will not have to pull a permit to open up the walls here. The walls already opened up here. But as you see I do my video, I go up and down, up and down. I want to show as much as possible to any potential buyer so they can make up their mind. They don't want to come out here and waste their time. I don't want them to waste their time. I don't want to waste my time. Now, in any house, in every house, all your details go into the kitchen. Your bathrooms and your kitchens are what sells the house, especially your master bathroom. And we'll be back there shortly. But again, all right, so this is the living room with the kitchen. There's the fireplace. You want to get all these things in your video. Do a good job with the video. I get people, man, I get people who send me videos, and they'll start the video in the house. And I can tell when they're not very experienced in what they do, because they may start the video in the kitchen. Start your video outside. Give everybody a chance to see what's going on in the video. You're not gonna hide. You're not hiding anything. You can't hide from your buyer. If they're interested, they're gonna come out here and see everything anyway. So why not help them make up their mind before they even come out? Because the ones who come on out is most likely gonna be the one that's gonna make you the offer. That's who you want to deal with, the person who's gonna come out and make you an offer. This is the master bedroom, by the way. Got my flashlight. Carry a flashlight when you come see these houses. You're gonna need a flashlight. Keep a screwdriver, a flashlight, claw hammer in your vehicle when you come out to see these houses. You never know what you might run into. A lot of guys carry their weapons. I come strapped every now and then myself. Anyway, master bathroom, there's the tub. Always carry your flashlight. Those little lights on your cell phone, I mean, come on, people, be professional. Excuse my hand, I'm trying to readjust my camera here. Don't rely on your cell phone light. Get a flashlight. If you're gonna do this business, you gotta have the right tools, do it right. Cell phone flashlights are okay for certain things, but not for most, because it hinders from being accurate and consistent and professional. Get you a few tools, it doesn't hurt. That was bedroom number 1, obviously. This is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. And what we're looking for to make sure it's a bedroom, it's got to have a window and it's got to have a closet. If it's got a window and a closet, it's a bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. Here's the full bath. This is the common area bathroom. Get your bathtub in the video. Even though you know all this stuff is going to be changed. It's coming out of the house. But you want your potential buyer to understand where this stuff goes, how it was configured originally, things of that nature. Don't be shy. Put it in the picture. Put it in the picture. They're going to see it anyway. Give them good picture, give them good videos, and you'll make their job easier, which will help you cash checks a lot faster. You're not hiding anything from them by just giving them a halfway video. Let them make up their mind whether they want to come out and take a look at your property. All right, and this is bedroom number 3. So obviously, this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and that's a popular. That's the most functional style or size house that you're going to find, the 3 2s. When you start running across the 3 1s and people got to add, investors need to add a bathroom to it or what have you, and you know, some a little more challenge unless the price is right. I've sold as many 3 1s as I've sold 3 2s. I've sold a bunch of 4s and 5s and some apartment buildings. We've done it all. So anyway, I'm about to end the video. This is Keith Jones, your 6-figure real estate wholesaler, telling you to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we're there. YouTube will have a lot more videos. This is an instructional video for all of you beginning or seasoned wholesalers. We want you to understand how to get someone out of their chair, get on the road, and come out and see the house that you have to sell. By the way, this property basically needs gutting. If you saw what's going on when I started outside, that's why I panned the neighborhood. When you see how, the houses are very nice out here. They've done some nice colors, and they've painted the outside of the brick. Most of them are brick ranches, and so now it's time to figure out what's going on, what we're going to do with this one. So I'm going to shut it off, and I'm going to be here for a minute. But thanks for hanging out with the 6-figure real estate wholesaler. I'm Keith Jones signing out. Be safe and stay healthy.
So we're finishing up over here at this Decatur property, and a lot of good information. I know you guys like that. We're going to try to keep information coming, make sure you guys learn something. You can find out how you can get paid during coronavirus season or flu season or whatever epidemic is going on. Make sure you get paid. So anyhow, make sure you like our channel, subscribe, and Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, we're on all that good stuff. If you're watching this, you're watching it on YouTube. So make sure you go to our Instagram page, like our Instagram page, like our Facebook page, and we'll get back at you. Oh yeah, there's links at the bottom, so if you want to figure out how to get to them, all the links are at the bottom. Anyhow, Rod J, get paid. Checking out.
Talking about the way you talk to my client, homie, start walking. Wait a minute, will a nigga really get it if I go off?